كان فكري نروح على ده 2-3 shots.
Say whether that's coming or not. Thank you. Well, before I throw the tough question.
Sheikh Mohammed to come to the stage and witness the signing.
The combined value of the commitments is almost $100 billion at list prices, making it the largest product launch in commercial jetliner history.
Emirates order for the 150 777X aircraft is worth $76 billion, including 300 GEX engine, and Fly Dubai order for 111 aircraft, including 220 engines, is worth $11.4 billion. Both Emirates and Fly Dubai order will support hundreds of thousands of jobs in aviation for the next decades and more.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Tim. Together, I represent Qatar Airways today and its board members in signing a letter of intent with Boeing for the purchase of 50 firm 777-9X aircraft valued at over $19 billion at list prices.
The signing of this deal marks a very exciting new milestone in aviation history. Today's agreement is the fifth A380 order from Emirates, and this is by far the largest with 50 aircraft, which brings the total of A380 orders to 140.